to make peanut butter cookies. So we've got caster sugar, and we got an egg and some peanut butter. So first we're going to have one beaten egg, so would you like to whisk that?
Yeah. Mix it up.
Yeah. That's enough now, Lexi. So first we're going to put the sugar in. Do you want to put the sugar in?
Put it in.
Yeah, all of it. All of
Yes.
it. Yes, in the bowl.
Whoa.
Let's throw that to the side. Okay, next is going to be the egg. One beaten egg. Don't pour it all in. All of it. And because this is glass, we're just going to put it to the side. And now we're going to whisk it up.
I'm going to whisk it up.
Ready?
My turn.
Whoa, be careful.
Maybe I'll have this one.
You don't. I'll have this one. Whoa.
It's easier for me.
Me, it's very hard. Hold on tight to the bowl for it flings on the roof.
Yeah, and then we have to make another one.
Yeah. Mix and mix.
Whoa! Whoa!
So tricky. What's that smell, Lexi?
I don't know, get me smell it.
Come on. Smells like peanut butter. So we better get rolling. I can't wait to eat these cookies. Right, put it in the palm of our hand. Oop. And get some up.
I can't roll it up.
It's okay, you can put it on the tray. I'm gonna do a little bit more. Oh, actually, how do you think? Is that good? Yeah. Do you wanna go put it on the tray?
Well, get it on.
There you go. I'm gonna make some more. See, it's very rough, and then when you roll it up, it's nice and smooth, like a ball.
Like a slow.
There you go, Lexi. So, guys, we're on our last one, and then we're gonna put a fork on it. Lexi, do you wanna put that on? We're gonna put the rest after these bake.
But how about these ones?
So here we got a fork, and just push it down just a little bit. And on the other side
Now
too.
it looks like a fork with a mask.
Looks like a pattern. Do you want to have a go, Lexi?
Yeah.
If you don't do it, we can try again. Let me help you. And then on the other side here. So we have baked them, and now it is ready to decorate. So first we're going to put them all on this plate. Come on, Lexi, do you want to help me put it all on the plate? Don't worry, it's not hot anymore.
No, don't do it. I want to do it.
Okay, go on. Also, this recipe makes 20 cookies. So, which one shall we do first, Lexi?
Let me
We have the small balls, the hearts, I'm not sure what these are, pearls, yeah. And which one would you like to do first?
I want to do this one because I want to eat them.
Oh, I love the pearls as well. Right. I'm going to put some on my hand so you can put them on, Lexi. Put a couple because we're going to do some more.
I take one too.
I might eat one too. Right, let's put them on. We've decorated it and now we're going to try cooking. You choose which one you want.
I'm going to have this bit first.
Delicious. Well, we're going to eat these cookies and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Yum.